Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make collectibles for your Unity game. The cool thing about this implementation is that you will be able to save the collectibles the player has obtained, and they won't spawn again. This allows you to implement stuff like achievements. I use this code in my Unity game I released on Steam called Super Hoopers. If you'd like to play the full game, it's available on Steam for only $1. The first thing we are going to do is download this awesome free tool that will allow us to save our collectibles to a file instead of using player prefs. The cool thing about this is that the code is identical to player prefs, so it's extremely easy to use. Press the green button that says code and press download zip. Once it's finished downloading, go back to your Unity and create a folder to put the scripts inside. Now let's create our save file. It's important you create this only once and put it in the first scene of your game when it launches, for example, the main menu. For testing I'll just put it in the only scene I have, which is this one. So create an empty game object and create a new script in it. I'm gonna write it, but you can actually copy it from the description. If you want to change the settings, check the GitHub page for the tool to see the available settings. That's all for the save file script. Now let's do the collectible. For the collectible I'm going to drag a free object from the Unity store. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure your object has a collider and that is set to trigger. Now add a new script for the collectible. I will name it star. First create a public string for your collectible name. This will be unique for each one. Now this is just to make the collectible rotate. We are just going to need the start function, an on-trigger enter, and the update function. In the start function we are going to check if the save data has the collectible name, and if it does, the object will get destroyed, meaning that the player has collected it already. Now we are going to save our collectible when the player collides with the star. And finally add the rotation to the collectible. Go back to Unity and make sure your player has the correct tag set. In this case, the tag is player as you can see. Then select your collectible and add a name to it and adjust the rotation like this. When you add different collectibles, don't forget to change the collectible name. And that's it. Now you can obtain your collectibles. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.